Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the plate on your Thermomix TM31. In this guide, we will walk you through the entire process to ensure you can do it efficiently and safely. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the process. Remove the mixing bowl and set it aside. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located around the base of the plate. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the plate from its position. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it up slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After removing the plate, take a moment to clean the area underneath. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any debris or residue that may have accumulated over time. If you don't have all the tools on hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. Now, it's time to place the new plate. Align it carefully with the base and press down gently to secure it in place. Next, take the screws you set aside and reinsert them using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are snug but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the new plate or the appliance. Once all screws are securely fastened, give the plate a gentle wiggle to ensure it's properly installed. If you encounter any issues or feel unsure about the process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We can guide you through any challenges you might face. After confirming that the plate is secure, reattach the mixing bowl. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and perform a quick test. Check that the new plate functions correctly by running a simple program. If everything operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the plate on your Thermomix TM31. Remember, if you need help with repairs or if you want a quote before repair, our services are here for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.